7 Steps to Implement Reliability-Centered Maintenance, Part 3. Step 5, Assess the effects of failure. In this step, the effects of each failure mode are considered. Equipment failure may affect safety, operations, and other equipment. The criticality of each of these failure modes can also be considered. Step 6, Select a maintenance tactic for each failure mode. At this step, the most appropriate maintenance tactic for each failure mode is determined. The maintenance tactic that is selected must be technically and economically feasible. Step 7, Implement and then regularly review the maintenance. Importantly, the RCM methodology will only be useful if its maintenance recommendations are put into practice. When that has been done, it's important that the recommendations are constantly reviewed and renewed as additional information is found.